I'm Beth. I work in the tech department here at DR Power Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the blade on a field and brush mower. The first step is taking off the brush deck. You're going to start by removing the belt cover. Next, you're going to remove the retaining pin and retaining ring. We're going to take the belt tension lever, push it forward and lift up to release tension on the belt. We'll need to remove the belt, taking it off the smaller pulley in the back, bringing it off the main pulley. To remove the brush deck, it's easier to have a second person help you, but this can be done by one. And it's easier to have a helper. Today I have Jamie helping me turn the brush deck over. These dings show that this field and brush mower blade needs replacing today. Okay, to replace the blade on the field and brush mower, you're going to need a block of wood to stabilize the bar as you're loosening the nut. We recommend using an impact wrench, but if you don't have one, you'll need a breaker bar with a 15/16 socket. If you're using the breaker bar, you're also going to need to stabilize the nut on top of the pulley, so you'll need a pair of vice grips to keep that tight and keep the shaft from spinning. Okay, it helps to have a second person to lift up on the brush deck if you are using the breaker bar and need to lock the nut, but you can do this yourself. My friend Jamie's helping me lift up on the brush deck today. You're going to lock your vice grips onto the nut, and it'll prevent it from spinning. The blade we're removing today is the multi-purpose brush blade. It has one side that's sharpened, so when you place it on, you'll want to make sure that the side faces, the sharp side faces the discharge side of the brush deck. We're replacing it with a heavy-duty brush blade. It has two sharp edges on either side, so when it gets dull, you can just flip it. It doesn't matter how you put this blade on. If you are using the impact wrench, you want to make sure that you're not tightening it any more than 100 foot-pounds. Now that we've changed the blade, we're going to flip over the brush deck and remove the vice grips. I'm Beth. Thank you for watching this video on how to replace the blade on a field and brush mower. If you have any questions, please call our tech department. Thank you.